I love how the blue budgie pecks at the green one. Says, you can't have any lettuce. That's so mean. And little do they know they have another piece over here. They really like it. Yeah, you enjoying that salad? You know there's a piece of lettuce over here, guys. There's a piece of lettuce over here. There's a piece of lettuce over here, guys. Oh, those budgies are little brats. What's the matter, Chookie? You're just sitting there in the corner, honey. How come? Julio, tell her to come get some lettuce. Tell her to come get some lettuce, Julio. Yeah. Pretty birds. Pretty birds. Good birds.